Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope all are doing fine. This video was taken on one of the rainy day last month. So let's get started with one of the cooking vlog. Today's breakfast is dosa and Bombay chutney. Bombay chutney is made out of besan. The recipe is already there in my channel. I'll give the link below in the description box. You may check it. The recipe for dosa is also there in my channel. You may check it. I'll give the link below in the description box. So today's breakfast is dosa with Bombay chutney. It was really yummy. Please do try. Suddenly it started raining very heavily, so thought of preparing a spicy vegetable biryani. For that I have soaked 2 glasses of basmati rice for about an hour, and now preparing kolhapuri paneer masala. For that I have chopped 4 onions and 5 to 6 green chilies, frying them all in about 2 tablespoons of oil, adding enough salt to taste and frying them for about 5 minutes. Adding about 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and fry until the raw smell disappears. You can already see the onions have become light brown color. At this stage only you have to add ginger garlic paste. Add 1 spoon of coriander seed and a quarter spoon of cumin seeds. I have ground them together, so adding about 1 spoon of it. This is kolhapuri kanda lasun masala. I shall give the recipe soon. You have to add about 2 spoons of it. Fry for about 2 minutes on a low flame. Add about half glass of water, this is paneer which I have soaked for about an hour in hot water. I am taking 200 grams of paneer cubes. Add it to the gravy. Cover and let it cook on a very low flame for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add 1 spoon of mixed poppy seeds and white sesame paste. Usually I do it and keep in a refrigerator in an airtight bottle. So adding 1 spoon of it. This will give the gravy a rich flavor and also thickens the gravy. Mix well and cover and cook for about another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see the gravy has thickened and the oil is floating over. That means the Kolhapuri paneer masala is done. Sprinkle few coriander leaves and it is ready to serve. Let's keep it aside. Let's make spicy yet very delicious veg biryani. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pressure cooker. Adding a fistful of cashew nuts. Fry them on very low flame until they turn to golden brown in color. Adding whole garam masalas, bay leaf and 2 inch of cinnamon stick, 5 to 6 cloves and about 4 green elaichi or green cardamom. These are the only spices which goes in this. Fry them until aromatic. Adding 1 sliced onion, two 5 to 6 green chilies which are slit, and about 3 potatoes which are chopped. Add about 1 carrot. Add about 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste and fry until the raw smell disappears. Adding 2 chopped tomatoes and fry well. Adding about 2 glasses of water and 1 glass of boiled milk. This is the specialty of this veg biryani. Try this, you will like it. I have taken total 2 glasses full of basmati rice which have been soaking. For 2 glasses I am adding 3 glasses of liquid. Adding enough salt to taste. The ratio for the rice is 1:1.5. This is the soaked basmati rice. Now let the gravy come to a boil. At this stage, drain the rice and add it to it. Mix well. Check the salt and cover and cook for about 1 whistle on a high flame. Once the pressure is completely released, open and check. See how beautiful the color has come out. This is due to the milk what we have added. It looks delicious, isn't it? Lot of colorful vegetables. I am piercing here Britannia rusk. Pierce them when the rice is hot. Cover with the lid and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Don't switch on the flame and serve hot with paneer kolhapuri and onion raita. We had a delicious lunch that afternoon on a heavy rainy day. For the dessert, I have made mango milkshake. This is already there in my channel. I'll give the link below. You may check it. Very simple and yet very delicious. Please do try my recipes and let me know in my comment section below. That's all for today. Thanks for watching till the end. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon given below for further notifications. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.